Number 4, no call, no show. The no call, no show. You get written up for this at work, so write them up in your life. These are all the friends you need to cut off. These are a list of 20 friends you need to watch out for. 20 friends you need to drop. Okay? Okay, and I'm just looking out for you. I'm just looking out for you. Stella, get into it, man. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you resonate with this video, because I have so many more on my channel and so many more on the way. And if you're returning, period. Always prepared, baby. Number 1, the pessimist. The person that always has something negative to say about every outcome, every situation, or someone that they're always just complaining and they just don't see no positive in anything. I remember in elementary school, my friend, she one of my really close friends now. I'm gonna give her a name, Nancy. I used to call her Negative Nancy. A lot of the things she would say would be more pessimistic, and I used to tell her like, why are you always so negative? And honestly, she has worked on it. You need to watch out for people who just always leans to the negative side. Number 2, the gossiper. The person that always just calls you when they want to talk shit, when they want to just talk about other people. They have nothing constructive to talk about when they call you. Number 3, watch out for the flake. I'm not talking about someone that flakes 1 or 2 times. I'm talking about the person that when you invite them out, every single time they'll say yeah, and then last minute they cancel. Girl, we're not going nowhere then. That leads into number 4, no call, no show. The no call, no show. You get written up for this at work, so write them up in your life. The people that say they're gonna be there or agree to go out or whatever, and then they just go. It's quiet. It's quiet. And that goes into the ghost. Watch out for the ghost. The ghost is the person who goes ghost on you during dark times, the times that you're under the weather, the times that you're not feeling well, and they know that too. It's not even like they don't know that. They know that, but they're not there for you when you need them. Number 6, the opportunist. The person who's only around you when it's an opportunity. When they see, okay, hanging out with you is a good look, or you're going somewhere that is beneficial towards them, and that's the only time they hit you up, or that's the only time they spend time with you. Number 7, the unaligned values, or the people that just disrespect your values or make fun of your values. It's never really gonna work, because it's like you guys just don't have the same value. Keep people around you that have your same values and that will respect those values because it's shared values. That goes into the live fast, die young friend, the irresponsible friend, the friend that doesn't care about their life and probably doesn't care about yours. That's a friend that will draw attention from the wrong crowd when you're out, when, it's not the time or place for that. Number 8, the no motion friend. I'm sorry. You need to cut these people off that have no motion, that aren't doing much with their life, because they're only gonna keep you stagnant. Life is meant to grow and you're meant to evolve. You need to, what's not growing and what's not evolving is what is that word, bro? Number 10. Am I counting? I feel like I have to, when I watch this back, I'll see if the numbers are adding up, if the numbers are numbering. But I think we're at number 10. The secret haters. Some people want to have your life. It's hard to spot those ones, right? Because they'll be so nice, they'll smile in your face, they'll whatever. But some people just like envy you and they don't even know what your life entails. They really don't know anything, but they kind of just want to be you. So you need to be careful, because these ones get scary. Number 11, the yes men. The yes men. These ones are dangerous, because if they're a yes man to you, they're most likely a yes man to other people. They're probably going to tell you yes or condone your self-destruction too, if that's what it comes down to, because they're just going to agree with everything that you got to say. Number 12, the no reach out. These are the ones where you reach out to them, see how they're doing once in a while. But also keep in mind with all these, you have to be a good friend as well. I'm not telling you to like put yourself on a high horse and be like cut off all your friends, but you have to be a good friend to people as well. If you're reaching out to someone to see how they're doing and they never reach out to you, the friendship is not being reciprocated. It's one-sided, baby. Drop. The bad communicator. Same thing with a relationship. If the communication is bad, there's nothing to talk about. Period. Drop. The friends with everyone friend. Where are we at? I think we're at 13. The friends with everyone friend. And I've been put in positions where like I was in a friend group and then the friend group's like split up, and it's so hard sometimes when you're like you weren't even involved in the drama, but it's like honestly, if you have a friend that is just friends with everyone, including people that you're not comfortable with being around or people that you're not comfortable with knowing personal stuff about you, we're gonna have to drop those ones. It's not worth it. Because at the end of the day, they'll never 100% have your back when, you might need them for the most part. Where are we at? I think we're at 14. Doesn't respect your boundaries, friend. If someone doesn't respect your boundaries, you tell them that you don't like when they do this and they still do it, the no boundaries friend, it's a drop for me. 16, the trauma dump friend. When the person that dumps just their traumas on you, and sometimes you don't even realize that you even might be a trauma dump friend, because there's one point in time where I had a friend that I was like their trauma dump friend. What happened was I would call them most of the time when I was going through stuff, and then they respectfully told me, I respected her for telling me that, because sometimes you don't realize when, and I'm not saying it's an automatic drop, you could literally do what my friend at that time did and respectfully tell them, like, it's a lot, like, and you want to be there to help them, but you're really trauma dumping and just to ask before, like, they start dumping, just ask them to just be like, could I talk about this with you? Because sometimes you might not be that ear at that moment, and that's okay. Number 17, the puts you down and doesn't like when others compliment you. Because the thing is, with these type of friends, when you think someone's actually your friend, you'll make excuses for them. But when someone doesn't like to see you receive compliments, it's telling, really. They'll block your compliment before you could even say thank you. They're like, no, don't. They're like, don't tell her that. Like, watch out for those ones. That's might be a drop still. Number 18, the calculator friend. But the thing is, you have to know, like, if it's a friend, like, I pay for this, and then the next time you're like, okay, I got you, and next time you pay for that. But if they use that against you as, like, leverage, when it comes down to it, that's a calculator friend. What do you mean you've been running a tab? Drop. Number 19, the needy friend. The friend that texts you or call you when they need something. They only contact you when they need something. I was going to change my outfit for this video. I totally forgot. The needy friend. Never to check up. Never to say let's hang out. Never what's up, what's going on. They just need something. And number 20, the 20th type of friend to avoid. The self-absorbed friend. This is a friend that is just always about them. But it's crazy because sometimes I personally will hang on to one self-absorbed friend, because sometimes when I need to get my mind off of my own shit, I know if I call them, they're only going to talk about themselves. I know if I hang out with them, they're only going to talk about themselves and their life. And it just gives me a break, to be honest. But it's not healthy. So don't be me. Don't be me and keep a self-absorbed friend, because the self-absorbed friends, they really don't care about you. They just like to hear their own voice and like to talk about themselves. Stella, get into it, man. This was the list of 20 friends you should avoid. Now go reevaluate your circle. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.